So this video is going to go over how to make an octagon using Trinket for Python. So let's go ahead and name this octagon. And let me go ahead and make it full screen. So let's go ahead and import our turtle library by typing import turtle. Oops. Let's name our turtle. I'm going to go ahead and name the turtle just T to make it easier. So T equals turtle, lowercase, dot turtle, uppercase, open and close parentheses. And again, for some reason, I cannot spell. So let's change the pen size to our turtle named T. So T pen size, and let's make it 5. So it's not too thick or not too thin. And let's go ahead and start our turtle by going forward, and then we'll go left, left, left. So let's make our turtle go forward 100 pixels. So T dot forward 100. And so that makes it go forward. Now, to continue with our octagon, we're going to make it go change direction. Now, in an octagon, if you recall, well, it doesn't matter, but we're going to make it go left 45 degrees. So let's go ahead and type our turtle name, type left from there, and we'll make it go 45 degrees. That's going to change the direction, and then we'll make it go forward. Let's call our turtle again, our turtle T, make it go forward by 100 pixels. And so there we are right now. Next thing you want to do is you want to continue. Let's add another line. Now you can copy and paste it, but if you want more practice, let's make the turtle go left 45 degrees. And the turtle go forward another 100 pixels. I hope I don't run out of space on this one. And so there we go with our turtle. Yep, I might run out of space on it. And so let's continue. Do the same thing, make it go left 45 degrees. And then make the turtle T go forward 100 pixels. Oh, it's out of our view. I'll show you guys how to do it. Actually, let me just change the values of it. We'll make it go 80 so we can get everything in there. I hope that works. Oh, a little bit better. Let's do it 60. Darn it. Oh, I made it 100. That was the problem. All right, there we go. And so let's go ahead and make it go left again another 45 degrees. And then forward, forward 60. Now you get to practice by typing, and when you get more complicated, you can always copy and paste. And if you want to, you can really just finish it off by copying and pasting the code, because again, we wanted to go forward. Now, I see a mistake here. Watch this. Let me go ahead and click run. And I made it go too much. I'm missing a 45. And if you look on the code right here, I'm missing a left 45 degrees. So let's go left 45 degrees. And I went a little bit too much, if you notice at the end. Let's see if this is correct. And that's it. And that's how you make an octagon using the Python turtle.